Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn exponents and powers. Before going into the topic, we need to know the formulas. A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. A power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. A power m whole power n is equals to a power mn. A into b whole power n is equals to a power n into b power n. A by b whole power n is equals to a power n divided by b power n. A power 0 is equals to 1. A power minus 1 is equals to 1 by a. A by b whole power minus 1 is equals to b by a whole power 1. If the power is negative, write that number in reciprocal and write the positive power. Now let us move to the problems. Okay, let us start our problems. The first question is, what is the value of 27 power 2 by 3? Now let us write the prime factorization for 27. 27. 3 9s are 27. And 3 3s are 9. So 27 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3. 3 power 3. So 27 is nothing but 3 power 3. So in the place of 27, I will write 3 power 3. 3 power 3 whole power 2 by 3. This 3 will get cancelled. So we remains with 3 square. 3 square is nothing but 9. Next, second question. 1024. Now this 1024, let us do prime factorization. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 64s are 4 16s are 4 4s are. So 1024 is equals to 1 2 3 4 5. So 4 power 5. Now in the place of 1024, I will write 4 power 5 whole power minus 4 by 5. 5 will get cancelled. So we remains with 4 power minus 4. Now this 4 power minus 4 is in the form of a power minus n. So a power minus n is nothing but 1 by a power n. So 4 power minus 4 can be written as 1 by 4 power 4. Next question. 8 by 125 whole power minus 4 by 3. Here 8 can be written as 2 cube divided by 125 can be written as 5 cube whole power minus 4 by 3. 2 cube divided by 5 cube can be written as 2 by 5 whole cube whole power minus 4 by 3. 3 will get cancelled. So we remains with 2 by 5 whole power minus 4. Now this is in the form of a by b whole power minus 1. So this here power is negative. So if we change this power to positive, this will become reciprocal. So 2 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 2. Then the negative power will become positive power. So the final answer is 5 by 2 whole power 4. Let's move to next question. Okay, if you look at the next question, what is the value of 0.00032 whole power 3 by 5? This 0.00032 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. We need to move towards the right side. So that is 32 into 10 power minus 5 whole power 3 by 5. If we separate it, 32 whole power 3 by 5 into 10 power minus 5 whole power 3 by 5. 32 can be written as 2 power 5 whole power 3 by 5 into 10 power minus 5 whole power 3 by 5. Here 5 cancel, here 5 cancel. So we remains with 2 cube into 10 power minus 3. Next, 2 cube into here 10 power minus 3 can be written as 10 I am writing it as 2 into 5 whole power minus 3. So 2 cube into 2 into 5 power minus 3 can be written as 2 power minus 3 into 5 power minus 3. 2 power minus 3, 2 power 3 will get cancelled. So we remains with 5 power minus 3. Here power is negative, so write this in reciprocal. That is 1 by 5 cube. 5 cube value is 125. So final answer is 1 by 125. Let's check the next question. What is the value of 256 whole power 0.16 into 16 power 0.18? 256 can be written as 16 square whole power 0.16 into 16 power 0.18. 16 power 2 into 0.16 0.32 into 16 power 0.18. Both the bases are same, so powers should be added. 16 power 0.32 plus 0.18. So 16 power 0.32 plus 0.18, 0.50, nothing but 0.5. Next, this 16 can be written as 4 square whole power 0.50 is nothing but 0.5, 0.5 is nothing but 5 by 10. So 5 ones are 5 twos are. So we remains with 4 square whole power 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. So we remains with 4. So the final answer is 4. Let's move to the next question. So the next question is x power minus 1 whole divided by x minus 1. X power minus 1, power is negative, so write in reciprocal 1 by x. Minus 1 as it is whole divided by x minus 1. This 1 as it is minus x into 1 x divided by x whole divided by x minus 1. Now if you solve this, we will get 1 minus x divided by x into 1 by x minus 1. Now to do cancellation of these two, either from this one or else from this one, we will take out minus common. So for example, from this if I am taking minus common, plus 1 will become minus 1, minus x will become plus x by x into 1 by x minus 1. I am taking minus common. So this x minus 1 will get cancelled. So we finally remains with minus 1 by x. Okay, let's look at the next question. If 2 power x minus 1 plus 2 power x plus 1 is equals to 1280, then what is the x value? The first term 2 power x minus 1 I am writing as it is plus this 2 power x plus 1 I will write it as 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1280. So now 2 power x minus 1 as it is plus, now this I will interchange the terms 2 power x minus 1 plus 2, which is equals to 1280 as it is. First term as it is 2 power x minus 1 plus, now this total term is in the form of a power m plus n. This is a, this x minus 1 is m, this 2 is n. A power m plus n. A power m plus 1 n formula is a power m into a power n. So now this 2 power x minus 1 plus 2 can be written as 2 power x minus 1 into 2 power 2, which is equals to 1280. Now from these two terms, I will take out 2 power x minus 1 common. So we remains with 1 plus 2 square, which is equals to 1280. 2 square 4, 4 plus 1 5. Now this total 5 I will take to the right side. So we will get 2 power x minus 1 is equals to 1280 divided by 5. If you do cancellation, 5 1s are 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. So 2 power x minus 1 is equals to 256. Now this 256 we need to write as an exponent. So 2 power x minus 1 is equals to, if we do factorization for 256, we will get 2 power 8. Here both the bases are same, so powers also equal. X minus 1 is equals to 8. Now if we take minus 1 to the right side, it will become plus 1. So x value is 9. Okay, let's move to the next question. What is the value of 5 into 8 power 1 by 3 plus 27 power 1 by 3 whole power 3 whole power 1 by 4? This first I will try to solve the inside bracket. 5 as it is into 8 can be written as 2 cube whole power 1 by 3 plus 27 can be written as 3 cube whole power 1 by 3 whole power 3 again whole power 1 by 4. Here 3 will cancel, 3 will cancel. So we remains with 5 into 2 plus 3 whole cube whole power 1 by 4. So nothing but 5 into 2 plus 3, 5 cube whole power 1 by 4. Now here the bases are same, so powers should be added. This 5 is nothing but 5 power 1. So 5, 1 plus 3, 4 whole power 1 by 4. 4 will get cancelled, so we remains with 5. Okay, let's move to the next question. What is the value of 16 whole power 3 by 2 plus 16 whole power minus 3 by 2? So here 16 can be written as 4 square whole power 3 by 2 plus, again here 16 can be written as 4 square whole power minus 3 by 2. This plus 2 minus 2 will cancel, sorry, plus 2 will get cancelled. So we remains with 4 cube plus 4 power minus 3. 4 cube 64 plus 4 power minus 3. Here power is negative, so we need to write this in reciprocal. 1 by 4 cube 64 plus 1 by 4 cube 64. So we will get 64 into 64 plus 1. 64 into 64 plus 1 whole divided by 64. Okay, 64 into 64 is nothing but 4096 plus 1 divided by 64, which is nothing but 4096 plus 1, 4097 divided by 64. Okay, let's move to the next question. If 1 by 5 whole power 3y is equals to 0.008, then what is the value of 0.25 whole power y? Here 1 by 5 whole power 3y, I am writing as it is equals to 0.008 can be written as 8 by 1000. Next, 1 by 5 whole power 3 by is equals to 8 can be written as 2 cube by 1000 can be written as 10 cube. Next, 1 by 5 whole power 3y is equals to 2 cube by 10 cube can be written as 2 by 10 whole cube. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So we remains with 1 by 5 whole power 3y is equals to 1 by 5 whole power 3. Both the bases are same, so powers also same. That is 3y is equals to 3. So y value is nothing but 1. Okay, let's move to the next question. What is the value of 243 whole power n by 5 into 3 power 2n plus 1 whole divided by 9 power n into 3 power n minus 1? Okay. 243 can be written as 3 power 5 whole power n by 5 into 3 power 2n plus 1 whole divided by 9 can be written as 3 square whole power n into 3 power n minus 1. Here 5 will get cancelled, so we remains with 3 power n into 3 power 2n plus 1 whole divided by 3 power 2 into n, 2n into 3 power n minus 1. Next, here these two bases are equal, so powers should be added. So we will get 3 power n plus 2n plus 1 whole divided by 3 power. Here also both the bases are same, so powers should be added. 2n plus n minus 1. So we will get 3 power n plus 2n, 3n plus 1 divided by 3 power 2n plus n, 3n minus 1. Now this is in the form of a power m divided by a power n. So a power n by a power n is nothing but a power m minus n. So that is 3 power 3n plus 1 minus power of the denominator, that is 3n minus 1. So we will get 3 power 3n plus 1 minus into 3n minus 3n minus into minus 1 plus 1. So plus 3n minus 3n will get cancelled. We remains with 3 power 1 plus 1, 2, 3 square, nothing but 9. Okay, let's move to the next question. Till now, if you didn't subscribe my channel, subscribe for more videos. What is the value of 6 power 2 by 3 into cubed root of 6 power 7 whole divided by cubed root of 6 power 6? So the first one I am writing as it is, that is 6 power 2 by 3 into cubed root of 6 power 7 can be written as 6 power 7 as it is. That cubed root can be written as power 1 by 3 whole divided by cubed root 6 power 6. Here 6 power 6 can be written as it is. Then whole power, that cubed root can be written as power 1 by 3. Here 3 1s are 3 2s are. So next, first numerator I am writing as it is, that is 6 power 2 by 3 into 6 power 7 whole power 1 by 3. 6 power 7 into 1, 7 by 3 whole divided by 6 power 2. Next, here both the bases are same, so powers should be added. That is 6 power 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3 whole divided by 6 square. Again, for the powers, the denominators are equal, so power numerator should be added. 6 power 2 plus 7, 9 by 3 whole divided by 6 square. 3 1s are 3 3s are, so which is equals to 6 cube divided by 6 square. Again this is in the form of a power m divided by a power n. So a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. So 6 power 3 minus 2, nothing but 6 power 1, nothing but 6. Okay, let's move to next question. If x is equals to y power a and z is equals to y is equals to z power b and z is equals to x power c, then what is the value of a, b, c? So first I am taking this third one, z is equals to x power c. Left side z I am writing as it is. Again in the place of x, x is equals to y power a. So in the place of x I am writing it as y power a whole power c. Z is equals to, in the place of y, y is equals to z power b. Z power b whole power a whole power c. So z is equals to z power b into a into c, bac or acb or abc. So I am writing it as abc. Next, here z can be written as z power 1. Both the bases are equal, so powers also equal. So a into b into c value is 1. Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question is, what is the value of root 8 whole power 1 by 3? Here root 8 is as it is, that root value is power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 3. Next 8 as it is, power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 3. 2 multiplications we need to do. 1 into 1 1 by 2 into 3 6. Now 8 can be written as 2 cube whole power 1 by 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are, so our final answer is 2 power 1 by 2. Okay, let's move to next question. 32 divided by 243 whole power minus 4 by 5. So 32 can be written as 2 power 5 divided by 243 can be written as 3 power 5 whole power minus 4 by 5. 2 power 5 divided by 3 power 5 can be written as 2 by 3 whole power 5 whole power minus 4 by 5. Power 5 will get cancelled. So we remains with 2 by 3 whole power minus 4. Power is negative. Write the positive power and write this number in reciprocal. 2 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 2 whole power positive power, that is plus 4. Okay, let us check the next question. What is the value of 5 power 1 by 4 into 125 whole power 0.25? 5 power 1 by 4 as it is into 125, I am writing it as 5 cube whole power 0.25 can be written as 25 by 100. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So we will get 5 power 1 by 4 into 5 cube whole power 1 by 4. So 5 power 1 by 4 into 5 cube whole power 1 by 4. 5, 3 ones are 3 by 4. Now both the bases are same, so powers should be added. 5 power 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Nothing but 5 power 4 by 4. 4 will get cancelled, so remains with 5 power 1. 5 power is 1, nothing but 5. Okay, let's move to the next question. 1 by 216 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 256 minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 32 whole power minus 1 by 5. So, if we solve it now, power is negative, so write it in reciprocal. That is 216 minus 2 by 3 will become plus 2 by 3. Here again power is negative, so if you write in reciprocal, we will get 256 power positive 3 by 4 plus 1 by 32 again can be written as 32 power 1 by 5. 216 can be written as 6 cube power 2 by 3 plus 256 can be written as 4 power 4 whole power 3 by 4 plus 32 can be written as 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5. 3 cancel, 4 cancel, 5 cancel. So we remains with 6 square plus 4 cube plus 2 power 1. 6 square 36 plus 4 cube 4 16 64 64 plus 2 power 1 is 2. 36 plus 64 100 plus 2 102. Okay, let's move to the next question. What is the value of 2.4 into 10 cube divided by 8 into 10 power minus 2? So, this is division. So, I am writing in the form of numerator by denominator. 2.4 into 10 cube whole divided by 8 into 10 power minus 2. Here, 2.4 is there. So, 2.4 into 10 cube, I will write it as 10 into 10 square whole divided by 8 into 10 power minus 2. Next, 2.4 into 10 is nothing but 24 into 10 square divided by 8 into 10 power minus 2. 8 ones are, 8 threes are. So now this 10 square by 10 power minus 2 is in the form of a power m by a power n. So we will get 3 into 10 power 2 again minus of minus 2 which is nothing but 3 into 10 power 2 minus of minus plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So 3 into 10 power 4. Okay, next question. 1 by 216 whole power minus 2 by 3. Here again, power is negative, so write in reciprocal. 1 by 216 reciprocal is 216. Whole power, positive power, 2 by 3 divided by. Here, again power is negative, so write 1 by 27 as a reciprocal. So 1 by 27 reciprocal is 27. Whole power minus 4 by 3. 216 can be written as 6 cube whole power 2 by 3 divided by 27 can be written as 3 cube whole power minus 4 by 3. 3 cancel, 3 cancel. So we remains with 6 square divided by 3 power minus 4. 6 square is nothing but 36 divided by 3 power minus 4. Oh, sorry, here plus 4 will come, right? Okay. So 3 power plus 4 is nothing but 81. So our final answer is 36 by 81. If we do cancellation, 12 3s are 36, 12 9s are 81, 3 1s are 3 3s are. So 3 12s are 36, 3 27s are 3 4s are 3 9s are. So final answer is 4 by 9. Okay, let's move to the next question. 64 whole power minus 1 by 2 minus 32 whole power minus 4 by 5. Here 64 can be written as 8 square whole power minus 1 by 2 minus 32 can be written as minus 2 power 5 whole power minus 4 by 5. Here 5 will get cancelled. Here 2 will get cancelled. So we remains with 8 power minus 1 minus 2 power minus 4. Here 8 power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 8 minus 2 whole power minus 4. Nothing but 1 by minus 2 power 4. 1 by 8 minus 1 by minus 2 power 4, 16. So 8 and 16, LCM is 16. So we will get 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 16. Okay, let us look at the next question. What is the value of 18 power 3.5 divided by 27 power 3.5 into 6 power 3.5, which is equals to 2 power something? That's something we need to find out. So first we will solve anyway division only. So that is 18 power 3.5 divided by 27 power 3.5 into 6 power 3.5. Here 18 can be written as 2 into 9 whole power 3.5 divided by 27 can be written as 3 cube whole power 3.5 into 6 power 3.5. Now this 2 into 9 I will separate. So we will get 2 power 3.5 into 9 power 3.5 divided by 3 power 3 whole power 3.5. 2 powers are there, so we will multiply the powers. 3 power 3 into 3.5 10.5 into 6 power 3.5. I will write it as again 2 power 3.5 into 3 power 3.5. 2 3 is 6. Next, the numerator 2 power 3.5 into 9 power 3.5 can be written as 3 square whole power 3.5 whole divided by 3 power 10.5 into 2 power 3.5 into 3 power 3.5. So if we solve that, power 3.5 into 3 power 2 into 3.5 7 into 2 power 3.5 into 3 power 3.5 whole divided by 3 power 10.5. Here 3 power 7, 3 power 3.5, both the bases are same, so powers should be added. Here also same, both the bases are same, so powers should be added. 2 power 3.5 plus 3.5 7 into 3 power 7 plus 3.5 10.5 whole divided by 3 power 10.5. 3 power 10.5, 3 power 10.5 will get cancelled, so we finally remains with 2 power 7. Okay, let's move to the next question. What is the value of 25 whole power 7.5 into 5 power 2.5 divided by 125 whole power 1.5, which is equals to 5 power something? So what is that something we need to find out? Here 25 can be written as 5 square whole power 7.5 into 5 power 2.5 divided by 125 can be written as 5 cube whole power 1.5. Here 5 power 2 into 7.5 15 into 5 power 2.5 divided by 5 power 3 into 1.5 4.5. First we need to solve the division, so I will write this as 5 power 15 into 5 power 2.5 divided by 5 power 4.5. So we will get 5 power 15 into, this is in the form of a power m by a power n. So a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. So 5 power 2.5 minus 4.5. So 5 power 15 into 5 power 2.5 minus 4.5 minus 2.5. Again, both the bases are equal, so powers should be added. So we will get 5 power 15 minus 2.5. 5 power 15 minus 2.5, 12.5. So 5 power 12.5 is the final answer. Okay, let's move to the next question. What is the value of x if a by b whole power x minus 1 is equals to b by a whole power x minus 3? So it's very simple. Here a by b is there, here b by a is there. So out of these two, any one we need to change. So already we know If the power is negative, we change the number into reciprocal. Now what we will do, if the power is positive, we will again reciprocate the number. So here x minus 1 is there. So this x minus 1 I will change to negative so that our number will be reciprocate. A by b will become b by a whole power, plus x will become minus x, minus 1 will become plus 1, which is equals to b by a whole power x minus 3. b by a, both the bases are equal, so powers also equal. Minus x plus 1 is equals to x minus 3. I will bring minus 3 this side and minus x to that side. Minus x plus x, 2x plus 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So x is equals to 2. So the x value is 2. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, if 2 power 2n minus 1 is equals to 1 by 8 power n minus 3, then what is the n value? The left one I am writing as it is, that is 2 power 2n minus 1 is equals to 1 by 8 can be written as 2 cube power n minus 3. So left one as it is, that is 2 power 2n minus 1 is equals to 1 by 2 power 3 into n, 3n minus 3 3s are 9. Left one I am writing as it is, that is 2 power 2n minus 1 is equals to, now this is reciprocal, so if we make it correct, 2 power plus 3n will become minus 3n, minus 9 will become plus 9. Now both the bases are same, so powers should be equal. 2n minus 1 is equals to minus 3n plus 1. I will take minus 3n this side will become plus 3n. So 2n plus 3n, 5n. 9 as it is. Minus 1 I will take to that side will become plus 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. So 5n is equals to 10. So n value is 2. Okay, let's move to the next question. If 5 power a is equals to 3125, then what is the value of 5 power a minus 3? Now this 5 power a minus 3 is in the form of a power m minus n. So a power m minus n is nothing but a power m divided by a power n. So now this 5 power a minus 3, 5 power a minus 3 can be written as 5 power a divided by 5 power 3. Already we know the value of 5 power a, that is 3125 divided by 5 cube, 125. So 125 into 25. So final answer is 25. Okay, let's move to the next question. If x is equals to 3 plus 2 root 2, then what is the value of root x minus 1 by root x? Now if we solve this, root x into root x, x minus 1 divided by root x. So now in the place of x, I will substitute the number which is given, that is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 1 as it is divided by under root x value is 3 plus 2 root 2. Numerator if we solve 3 minus 1 2 plus 2 root 2 whole divided by under root this 3 I will write it as 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2. Next, numerator I will write as it is, that is 2 plus 2 root 2 whole divided by this 2 I will write it as root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square. If we cancel this square and square root, then again we remains with root 2 only, plus 1 I will write it as root 1 whole square plus 2 root 2 whole root. So numerator as it is, that is 2 plus 2 root 2 divided by If you observe the denominator clearly, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here 2 root 2 I am writing it as 2 root 2 into 1. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab is nothing but a plus b whole square, that is root 2 plus root 1 whole square under root. Square and square root will get cancelled. Numerator as it is 2 plus 2 root 2 divided by denominator will be root 2 plus root 1. Root 1 is nothing but 1. Now from the numerator I am taking 2 common. So if we take out 2 common, it will remains with 1 plus root 2 divided by root 2 plus 1. 1 plus root 2 plus 1 both are same. So these 2 will get cancelled. So we remains with 2. Let's move to the next question. What is the value of x power a divided by b whole power 1 by ab into x power b by x power c in whole power 1 by bc into x power c divided by x power a whole power 1 by ca? Now, if we observe this inside the bracket, it is in the form of a power m divided by a power n. So we will get x power a minus b whole power 1 by ab into x power b by x power c can be written as x power b minus c whole power 1 by bc into x power c whole divided by x power a can be written as x power c minus a whole power 1 by ca. Next, two powers are there, so multiply those 2 powers. X power a minus b by ab into x power b minus c by bc into x power c minus a by ca. All 3 bases are equal, so powers should be added. X power a minus b by ab plus b minus c by bc plus c minus a by ca. If we add all the powers now, x power AB, BC, CA. So if we take the LCM of that, we will get ABC. Okay, if you look at that, here we have only AB, but here in the denominator ABC is there. So extra C. So this C you multiply with numerator. C into A minus B plus, here BC is there, but here ABC is there. So extra A, this A you multiply to the numerator. A into B minus C plus, CA is there, but here ABC is there, so extra B, that B you multiply to the numerator. So we will get x power C into A CA minus C into B CB plus A into B AB minus AC plus BC minus AB whole divided by ABC minus AC plus AC minus BC plus BC plus AB minus AB. Everything is cancelled. So we remains with x power 0. Any number power 0 is nothing but 1. Okay, let's move to the next question. If 3 power x minus y is equals to 27 and 3 power x plus y is equals to 243, then what is the x value? So 3 power x minus y is equals to 27. That 27 can be written as 3 cube. Both the bases are equal, so powers also equal. That is x minus y is equals to 3. Next, second equation. 3 power x plus y is equals to 243. 243 can be written as 3 power 5. So x plus y is equals to 5. Because bases are equal, so powers also equal. If we solve these two equations, x minus y is equals to 3. I am solving these two equations. Plus y minus y will get cancelled. X plus x 2x. 5 plus 3 8. Then x value will be 4. He is asking about x value only. So x value is 4. Okay, let's move to the next question. 0.04 whole power minus 1.5. What is the value of it? Here 0.04 can be written as this decimal should move towards the right digit 1 and 2 places. So we will get 4 into 10 power minus 2 whole power minus 1.5. Now if we solve it, 4 power minus 1.5 into 10 power minus 2 whole power minus 1.5. 4 can be written as 2 square whole power minus 1.5 into 10 power minus into minus plus 2 into 1.5, nothing but 3. So 2 power 2 into minus 1.5 minus 3 into 10 power 3. 2 power minus 3 into 10 power 3 can be written as 2 cube into 5 cube. 2 power minus 3, 2 power plus 3 will get cancelled. So we remains with 5 power 3. Okay, let's move to the next question. Under root 2 power n is equals to 64, then what is the n value? So left one I am writing as it is, that is root 2 power n is equals to 64. If we do prime factorization for 64, 2 32s are 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 power 6. Now I